I came to the academy, spoke to sir, and I got the information I needed, and then I was confident to take my first course. But I think it's worth because you get to also the biggest plus point I think is you get to use the coffee machine. Sir has his coffee machine, professional coffee machine. So I think that's where people can spend time. They have free time. They can come. They can spend and learn the latte art. Whether it's not possible because not everyone has a professional coffee machine or something like that. So I think that's one of the biggest advantages of being a part of Sir's Academy. But I used to always think that latte art is too tough. And when I got into starting latte art, I think then that thing for me, I understood that it's not that tough. You need a machine and you just need time. So, and you need someone to guide you initially, which I think Sir is really helped a lot. And once you learn that, then it's all on your practice, you have effort you put into the practice and learning again. But it's a very quick process as well. So I think, and it's not that tough. People get intimidated. I just think once you do it, you'll love it. And the academy is like a home for everyone. So they just come, walk in, they just use the machine. So everything is like, we are just at like home, we just sit and chill with Sir, and then we do our coffee thing as well. So I think it's a good location in Mumbai to come and, just stress relief kind of thing. I think it's good to be connected to this place.